Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to talking about this shell structure. This is the Bazar railway station. Recently built it in Bazar. We're going to try to make this shell in Revit, in visual programming in Dynamo. Okay. Actually, this structure, this terminal, designed by Bazar railway station, designed by Mohammad Faizullah. Okay, I think his firm name is Volume 0. Architectural consulting firm is Volume 0. So let's start. Open this software, Revit software, and then I already open Dynamo. Click new. Let's have a look again. Just shell. We have to create first this shell surface outline. Okay, so let's do it. First of all, create a point. We have to create 3 points. And now double right click on this screen and write it slider. We need to select this number slider. In first point, no need to slider. Second point, in first after a few points need to be this slider. Okay, and just Ctrl C in your keyboard and paste it. Ctrl V in 3 times. Ctrl C and Ctrl V, copy paste. Okay, we need to again in another section just connect this slider to this 3 axis. Okay, then if we increase this number, or just put it down a number, say 12, something this like this, and in Y section, Y axis needs to be 0.8 or something, and Z axis should be 5.6. Okay. Now if we rotate this area, we can see the position of the point in this section, in this area. Okay, so if we set the number again, say 25.9, and this is the 0. 12.7. Okay. Now click on this screen, right, double click and create a list. Say x equals to L1, comma L2, comma L3. Just connect this point in 3 sections. See, there is a 3-point list in this code block. Now create a curved line. Nerve curves by point. Now connect this to this point. As you see, the curved line already created. So after that, we need to create another curved line. Copy, select this whole node and copy it and paste it. Copy and paste. Now we have to connect in first point, say -1.6, enter, and have to be -2. Just connect this x and just connect this y. -12.7 6 or 7 -7 and 6.6. Z-axis is 6.6. Now connect this number to connect this in y section. Again, this point should be 28, position in 28. So 2 curved line will already created. Now we have to create a surface in with these 2 curved line. To do that, first of all, create a list. X equals to L1, comma L2. Just connect this 2 curved line in this list and create a surface. First, create a surface. Actually, we need to create a not total surface in total curve area. We have to create this position. So if we need to create in this position, create a surface in this position, first of all we have to create a curved line in this curved line. Okay, there it will be the two curved line in same position. So create pointed chord length point at chord length. This is the right node, chord length. Open a number slider. And this is the curve. We need to create two chord lengths. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Just write a 4.1. Connect chord length this position and in this position. Boolean, and needs to be in this forward, and connect the chord length in this section. Okay, if we increase or decrease this number, as you see, the point will move in curve location, in curve line. Okay, so now create a code block. We can copy it. Ctrl V. If we connect this point to this code block and this point to this line, as you see, two list will generate. Two point will connect the same list. So now create another code block. Copy it and connect this code block to this say this point and to this point, and now this we will join these two nodes in the same code block. Okay, same list. Before create a curved line. Now create a transpose. And create a curve by point. Just select and Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl V. Okay. Now connect this to this transpose, to this connect, and nerve curves by point. Actually, Actually, there is a problem in this section. This connection should be in this from this point. Now this is okay. Okay, if we select it, the line will glow in this line, curved line with this in blue color. We will show you see this in this section. Now create a surface. Loft cross section. The surface will create from this two curved line. So now we need to create a mirror. We need to create a mirror from this surface. In this surface, it should be same. Should be create a same surface in opposite direction. So if we before that we need to create we need to collect a line, collect a point from this point and from this point and this point. So just double click it, x1 connect this to this, connect this line. Okay, now create a line by start point and end point in 2 times. And so to create from this point and connect this start point and to create this point. No, actually should be connect this point. Now it's okay. Now this is the right position, the 2 lines in shell area. Now create a list, should be create a list. Before create a list, we have to set a circle and place this line. Place a circle and convert to a pipe, say a cylindrical shape, and combine these all pipes. Okay, so Now create a circle. First of all, create a circle to set a pipe in this line. Circle, center point radius, create a number 0.2, connect this to this, and create a curve, sweep as a solid, sweep as solid, create a curve sweep as a solid and connect circle to this curve. So connect needs to be find a center point. This is the center point, and a curved line should be this line should be as a path. The circle solid shape will create in this curved line. Now create another pipe line, solid cylindrical shape. So just select these nodes and copy it, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Just so connect a curve this path, and so the center point should be this line, and path should be this line. If we connect this path, the pipe will create from this first point. After that, if we copy it, Ctrl C, select these nodes, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now center point should be this point, and connect the point to this center point, and path E from this line. Okay. Now create a cylindrical shape in this line. Now just copy this again, copy these nodes, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and center line should be this point, and curved line should be this line. Okay. So both sides, this cylindrical shape pipe will set in this curve. Now create a list. Just create a list. List join list join, and needs to be create 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now connect to this surface, first list, and the second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, the actually if we set this 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the surface. Now create a reference plane. Plane normal, plane by origin normal, and plane offset, This is the origin point, and normal should be the y-axis. If we connect the plane and set a slider, or double click, create a code block 0.5. Okay. Now create a geometry form, geometry mirror, plane. This is the plane, mirror plane, and form should be this geometry. As you see, the first shell structure already mirrored from this with this reference plane, the respect of reference plane. The shell already created. Now create this bracing structure. Okay, this bracing structure have to be created. So go to this Dynamo section. So first of all, create a curve by isocurve on surface. Now create a isocurve on surface. If we connect surface to this isocurve, this surface, and direction should be just double click on this screen and write 1 this and 0. Okay, just connect to this one direction, copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 0 to this another direction. So write it in code block 0.05 dot dot 1 dot dot 0.09. PS and also 0.8. So connect to this parameter and connect with 0.08, connect this parameter. As you see, there is some curved line on this surface created. So if we connect this curved line and say we need to first of all create a curved line in this position. Okay, when we create a curved line in this position, after create a curved line, then set a point in this position. Okay, then create a connect to this point to this in ground section. Okay, so how to do that? So first create a projected curve node, pull onto plane, pull on to plane, pull onto plane, and connect this curve to this curve section, and the plane should be XY. The plane should be XY and connect to this plane. As you see, the curve line in this curve line create from this curve line in ground area. Now create a geometry intersect and connect to this both curve line. Connect this one and connect this one. There is a point in intersection position. Okay, we'll set in this area, in this surface. Now create a point project, point dot project, and plane should be projected direction should be Z axis, and it should be a reverse. Connect to this reverse vector, connect to this projection direction, and base geometry is this one. Point should be, actually base geometry is this curve line. Base geometry and point should be from this intersection point. Now we see the point just placed in this ground surface curve line area, section. Now needs to be a flatten. Needs to be a flatten. Now polycurve by point. Polycurve dot by polycurve dot by point, and connect to this, and now geometry explode, connect this from this polycurve by point, and now set a point, in mid position in each area, in each section. Okay, to do that, create a curve dot point, so create a point at parameter and curve. This is the curve line, and should be a 0.5, and connect to this point. The point will set in this mid position. So if we create, we need to first create another some nodes, say rest of items in 2 times, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, from this point, and also connect intersection point. Okay, I just isolate from this main section. Okay, so now create a first item in 2 times, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and now connect from this first item in this pointed parameter, and connect from this intersection node. Now if we create the line start by point, create a line start end point and start point. We need to create 2 times, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, Now this is the fun part, to create this bracing truss. Just connect this point to the end and connect to this intersection point. This is the first step. Now connect to this end point and also connect to this start point. Actually should be this point. Connect this point and now connect this rest of items. So the truss curve shape will create it, already created, and now there is another part in this needs to be connect this line. So start point and end point. So this is the complete task in the bracing area. Now combine down. Now create a pipe in curved line position in bracing area. So let's create a solid cylindrical shape, a pipe in this bracing area, bracing truss. So we can copy this, copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, now create 3 times, copy it, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Connect this path. And their dimension should be 0.6. Okay, and now create connect line to this connect line that is of the center point, and it should be this point. Connect this center point. Okay. So pipe already create in this section. Now needs to be a mirror similar this shell. So if we just needs to be drag this section in front area and connect in 3 solid part. 3 in 1, 2 and 3. So all truss area and shell area will mirror in the reference center reference line. Okay, so this is the final structure we have just created in this Dynamo section. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, we will see in next video tutorial. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.